Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today our problem is 11 minus x whole square root all over 1 plus x is equal to x minus 5. So we need to find the value of x here. Now starting our solution, that is 11 minus x whole square root divided by 1 plus x, and if we just multiply 1 plus x on both hand sides, so we just write here 1 plus x is equal to x minus 5 times this 1 plus x. Now here we see that this 1 plus x is cancelled out with 1 plus x, so we have 11 minus x whole square root. 11 minus x whole square root is equal to, here x times 1 is x times x is plus x squared, minus 5 times 1 is minus 5, and minus 5 times x is minus 5x. Now 11 minus x whole square root is equal to x squared plus x minus 5x, we will get minus 4x minus 5. Now here if we just add plus 4 and then subtract plus 4 on our right hand side, so we will get 11 minus x whole square root is equal to x squared minus 4 times x, and if we are going to add and subtract 4, so here adding 4 and similarly subtracting 4, then there will be no difference on our equation. So 11 minus x whole square root is equal to, here it is x squared, we just write x squared minus 2 times x times 2 and plus 2 squared. 2 squared is equal to this 4, so minus 5 minus 4 is equal to minus 9. Now we see that it is our actually a squared and it is b squared minus 2 times a times b. So we know by algebraic formula that if we have a minus b whole squared, that is equal to a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Now 11 minus x whole square root is equal to, that is x minus 2 whole square and minus 9. Here we have, now if we just write this 11 into, that is 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11 minus x whole square root, that is equal to x minus 2 whole square minus 9. Now here 9 minus x plus 2 whole square root is equal to x minus 2 whole square minus 9. Here that is 9, if we just take this minus is common, so we have x minus 2 whole square root is equal to x minus 2 whole square minus 9. Now here if we are going to just suppose that this x minus 2 and it is also x minus 2, so let us suppose that x minus 2 is equal to m. So it is our equation number 1. So by putting this value here, then 9 minus, here 9 minus x minus 2 is m, so 9 minus m whole square root, that is equal to m squared minus 9, m squared minus 9. So here m squared minus 9, that is, now if we just take square on both hand sides, so 9 minus m whole square root taking squared, similarly m squared minus 9 taking square, that is cancelling square with square root, we have 9 minus m is equal to m squared minus 9 whole squared. Now if we just subtract both hand side by m squared, so here we just write minus m squared, and similarly on our left hand side we just put that minus m squared, so here it is plus sign. Now minus m squared plus 9 minus m, so it can also be written as, if we just take minus is common, So we have m squared, that is here this minus m is plus m, and plus 9 will be minus 9. That is equal to, here m squared minus 9 whole squared, we can write this a squared minus b squared. So a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So here we have, it is our a, and now we just write plus b, which is m. Similarly, a, which is m squared minus 9, and minus b, which is minus m. So here this m squared plus m minus 9. Now if we just shifting this one, that m squared minus 9, or we just write this plus m first, so minus 9, and this one which is m squared minus m minus 9, and shifting this one, so we have plus sign with m squared plus m minus 9, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. Now we see that m squared plus m minus 9, here it is m squared plus m minus 9, it is also m squared plus m minus 9. So we just take common m squared plus m minus 9, taking common, here we will get m squared minus m minus 9, and here we just write plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now m squared plus m minus 9 times, here we have m squared minus m minus 9 plus 1, we will get minus 8, that is equal to 0. Now we have two conditions here, that m squared plus m minus 9, which is m squared plus m minus 9 is equal to 0, and here we have m squared minus m minus 8 is equal to 0. So in both cases, both are quadratic equations, so we have to solve this. Now we are going to use that over quadratic formula. So for this purpose, here we have value of a is 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 9. Now by quadratic formula, m is equal to minus b, that is minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. Putting values of a, b and c, we have m is equal to minus time 1 is minus 1, plus minus 1 squared is equal to 1, and minus time minus is plus, 9 times 4 is, that is 36, all over 2 times a is 2. So here we have m is equal to minus 1 plus minus 36 plus 1 is 37 square root all over 2. So it is the value of m. We just find out. Here we are going to just find our next that quadratic equation. So here we have value of a is 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 8. Now using quadratic formula, which is m is equal to minus b, so now putting value of minus b, which is minus 1, plus minus b squared is equal to minus 1 whole squared, and here we have minus 4 times a is 1, and c is minus 8, all over 2 times a, so a is 1. Now our next step will be m is equal to minus time minus is plus 1, plus minus square root of minus 1 whole squared is equal to 1, and minus plus 8 times 4 is 32, all over 2 times 1 is 2. So we have m is equal to 1 plus minus 32 plus 1 is 33 square root all over 2. But we have to recall equation 1 here, as we know that by using this one we just recall equation number 1. So our equation 1 is actually x minus 2 is equal to m. So using here, then we will get that x minus 2 is equal to m. Now this m will be x minus 2 is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 37 all over 2. Now first of all, we have to just solve the value of x from this equation. Here we have, now x is equal to, shifting this minus 2, then we will get minus 1 plus minus square root of 37 all over 2, and this minus 2 will be plus 2. Now here we have denominator is 1, so if we just take least common multiple on our right hand side, so we have x is equal to 2 is LCM, then we have minus 1 plus minus square root of 37 and plus 2 times 2 is 4. So here x is equal to plus 4 minus 1 is plus 3 plus minus square root of 37 all over 2. These are our two values of x, let's say x1 and x2. So we have just find out that value of x1 and x2. Now we are going to use our next value of m, which is m is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 33 divided by 2. So here we have that m is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 33 all over 2. Now again recall our equation number 1. So our equation 1 is x minus 2 is equal to m. Putting here the value of m, which is x minus 2 is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 33 all over 2. Now shifting this minus 2 here to our right hand side, then we will get 1 plus minus square root of 33 all over 2 and plus 2. Now here taking LCM, then we have 1 plus minus square root of 33 and plus 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Then we have x is equal to 5 plus minus square root of 33 all over 2. So these are our values of x, x3 and x4. We have 4 values of x, which is our final answer. So if we write here our final answer, then our answer will be x1 is equal to 3 plus square root of 37 all over 2, and x2 is 3 minus square root of 37 all over 2. Similarly, we have x3 is equal to 5 plus square root of 33 all over 2, and our final value is x4, which is 5 minus square root of 33 all over 2. So these are our 4 values of x, and it is our final answer. Now we are going to check our entire solution here step by step. That is our all possible steps of this problem. So I hope you have understand all these steps one by one. If you feel any problem, you just ask question in comment box. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.